Let's configure today VLAN. So virtual LAN setup today we are configuring using Cisco Packet Tracer, and for that let's have the switch. So I will take one switch for end nodes. I will be taking this end nodes, and let's connect them. So I will be connecting them, and let's label them. So I will be giving the label. This is the fast Ethernet port 1. So this is FA 0/1 port, FA 0/1, and this port is FA 0/2. This port is FA 0/3, and the last one is FA 0/4. So I just given the name to the particular port, and let's decide the IP address 192.168.10.2. I will be starting. This one will be 3, this one will be 4, and this one will be 5. So now what is the meaning of this particular network is, as the layer 2 device is connected to every this PC, it means that every PC will able to communicate with every other PC successfully. You can check this using the simple packet tracer. Okay, the port configuration remaining. So go to desktop, I click to the very first PC. This is the IP address that we are configuring. Second PC, click to the second PC, go to desktop IP and the IP address. This IP address we have to give. Subnet mask will automatically come, and the fourth one, subnet mask will automatically come. The last one supposed to give as dot 5 and close. Now the meaning of this network is every PC will able to communicate with every other PC. You can check even vice versa. Yes, it shows us successful. Let's try the last one with the first one. Yes, it is successful. The first one with the third one. Yes, it is successful. The main concept of your VLAN is, this is VLAN setup using CLI. So let's partition this. Let's have an example that this is my home network and I have 4 PCs at my home, but every time these 2 PCs I am using for my office purpose. So I will use this first 2 PCs for the office. So I partition this particular PC. I partition, just a minute. For example, I want to partition this particular 2 PCs into my home network, and I partition this remaining 2 PCs as as my daily use network. Okay, so these are the 2 partition, and I want to give the name to this partition as office PCs, and these are the home PC. Now, as my both PC can communicate now regarding the security or regarding the segmentation or to partition them into the two different, then later on your this 2 PCs will not able to communicate with this 2 PCs. Now these are communicating properly. Yes, it shows communication proper, but once we configure them into the virtual partition, and let's give the name VLAN 50, means maximum 50 PCs I want to connect this network, and maximum 60 PCs, maximum 20 PC I want to connect into this network. So let's configure. Click to the switch, go to CLI, and keep enable to this VLAN, and give the size 50, or we can Okay, config terminal very first. Config terminal. Then we can give the VLAN 50 size, and we can give the name this office. Previous to this, you can check in VLAN configuration of switch. There is no as such VLAN is getting added, but once we created this VLAN 20 name home. So you can now check this both VLAN home and office into the configuration field of your switch. Now there are two databases getting added here in the VLAN home and office. Now in here we have to be configure them with the interface fast Ethernet 0/1. So this interface we have to add interface fast Ethernet 0/1, and we have to give the access switch port mode access. Okay, and then switch port access VLAN 50, because I want to add this fast Ethernet one port into this VLAN 50. And okay, switch port access VLAN 50. And now interface 02. This interface I want to again add into the this particular, so I can use this command, and I can give the access to this particular interface. Now for next interface, interface fast Ethernet 0/3, this particular interface we have to be add in this particular interface. So for this interface switch mode access, and we are giving the access to this VLAN 20. And the next interface 0/4, we are giving the access to this VLAN 20. And yes, using this particular command, we have successfully partitioned our network. Now you can check that this particular network will not able to initiate the communication with this, but yes, they can internally communicate successfully. Even your second network will able to, your second network internally can able to communicate. PC IP, its IP is 4, yes, and the IP for this is 5, and 0/3. Okay, this should be communicate, yes. Now this we can check using, we have to take the exit from here, come to your switch. We can check this show VLAN brief. So this command gives you, or show VLAN command give us the total configuration of our VLAN. And let's try to ping this PC to 10.4 from 10.3. So click to the PC, go to command prompt, ping 192.168.10.4, and this ping will not successful, this ping will not be a successful ping. Yeah, your request is timeout for next packet also. Yeah, but from this PC, if we ping to this PC, yeah, it will be a successful one. So ping 192.168.10.4, it will be a successful ping now. In this way we are able to partition this to network virtually into this 50 size of network name office and the 20 scalable size of pcs named home. So thank you.